I just want to capture this and turn around.
Wait, what way do we go then?
It depends on the grade.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Same. There's levels.
Oh, 100%.
Old Irish pub. And that's where we enter to get into the mall, I think.
Right. No, our one buddy from Toronto that swim with my brother.
Okay. Yeah, Summit. That's what she was talking about. Summit. Oh, we didn't even go to Summit. We went somewhere else, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, was it Summit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's smoke. I got us.
Okay. Maybe. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. I'll go here at the pedestrian crossing.
Oh, look at this. It's so smart with the fur on the benches.
Fucking right. They thought of everything here. Like weather, like for the conditions and everything.
Yeah, they're like, keep them happy.
Another mall here.
Right?
Yeah, we gotta do everything. Take a picture too there. Hold on.